Hey guys, my name is Casper and welcome to my channel, The Third Dimension, where imagination meets reality. In this video, I will unravel the mystery of 3D printing, explore different types, and dive deep into the techniques involved in 3D printing. So let's go into it. So the first question you might ask, what is 3D printing? 3D printing is nothing but a magical process that turns digital designs into tangible objects. Unlike traditional manufacturing, which often involves melting, cutting, hammering, or molding, 3D printing builds objects layer by layer to get the desired shape. It's like printing a document, but in 3D. Inside a 3D printer, you will find a few essential components: the printer head, where the material comes out, a build platform to support the object, and the computer controlling the whole process. The printer follows instructions from a digital 3D model, depositing material layer upon layer until your object is complete. Now that we know what's 3D printing, let's explore some of the common types in detail. So the very first type is called FDM, also known as Fused Deposition Modeling. FDM is like using a precise automated hot glue gun. It melts and extrudes plastic filament, creating the object layer by layer. It's one of the most popular and affordable 3D printing methods. FDM works with a range of standard thermoplastics such as ABS, PLA, and their various blends. The technique is well suited for basic proof of concept models as well as quick and low-cost prototyping of simple parts, such as parts that might typically be machined. Even the printer I'm using is based on FDM technology. Now, the second type, which is SLA, also known as stereolithography. SLA uses a liquid resin that solidifies when exposed to UV light. A laser or projector hardens the resin layer by layer, making it excellent for detail and high-resolution prints. SLA parts have the high resolution and accuracy and clear details, and the smoothest surface finish of all the plastic 3D printing technologies. But the main benefit of SLA lies in its versatility. Material manufacturers have created innovative SLA photopolymer resins formulations with a wide range of optical, mechanical, and thermal properties to match those of the engineering standard. Now, the third and the last type is SLS, also known as selective laser sintering. SLS is also about lasers and powder. A laser fuses powder material like nylon or metal into solid layers, making it great for complex and durable objects. The combination of low cost per part, high productivity, and established material makes SLS a popular choice amongst engineers for functional prototyping and cost-effective alternatives. Now, let's go into the techniques for doing the 3D printing. So I will tell you the step-by-step procedure to do the 3D printing. The first step is designing. It's all start with the 3D design. You can create your own design using different CAD softwares such as SolidWorks, AutoCAD, Blender, or you can find pre-made designs online. We will discuss the design process in detail from the basic shape to complex structure later on. I'm not gonna go deep into that in this video, but I will tell you only the basic steps. And the next process is slicing. Once you have the design, you need to slice it. Slicing software converts your 3D model into a series of instructions for the printer, like which layers to print and at what temperature. We will delve deep into slicing software options and settings later on. After slicing, now the process is printing. Printing is an exciting part. It's very simple. Just load your sliced file onto your 3D printer as it brings your 3D model to life layer by layer. After that, the last process is the post-processing. After printing your object, it might need some finishing. Sanding, painting, or assembly multiple parts may be required to achieve the desired results. So all in all, I have demystified 3D printing, explored different types in detail, and dived deep into the techniques involved. It's amazing technology that allows us to turn our ideas into reality with just a one click of a button. So whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, 3D printing offers endless possibilities. So get creative, start designing, and watch your imagination come to life through the magic of 3D printing. So here you are. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you're ready to dive into 3D printing, check out the links in the description for more resources. Thank you for watching and happy printing.